If your Android phone keeps buzzing with alerts you do not need, this video is going to help. Today, I'll show you how to disable notifications in Android using the fastest method, and also how to customize them if you still want to keep certain alerts on. This is a simple fix that can make your phone feel way less distracting, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Android tips and walkthroughs. Now, let's get into it. The best way to manage notifications for an app that is not currently showing an alert is by using the App Info shortcut. This is one of the quickest methods because you do not need to dig through settings menus for a long time. First, go to your home screen or open your app drawer and find the app you want to stop notifications for. Once you have found it, long press on the app icon. After a moment, a menu should appear. From that menu, look for the small information icon, usually shown as an eye inside a circle. This is the App Info button. Tap that icon to open the app's full settings page. On this screen, you will see several options related to that app, like permissions, storage, battery usage, and notifications. Since we are focusing on alerts, tap Notifications. Inside the Notifications section, you will usually see a master switch at the top. This is the main control for the app's alerts. If you want to stop everything from that app, simply toggle all notifications for that app to off. Once that switch is disabled, the app should stop sending notifications to your device. This is the best option if the app is too noisy and you do not want to be interrupted anymore. If you still want some notifications, but not all of them, Android also gives you more control. Under the Notifications menu, you may see individual notification categories listed below the main switch. These can include things like messages, updates, reminders, promotions, or other alert types depending on the app. Instead of turning everything off, you can customize these categories one by one. That way, you only keep the notifications that matter and block the ones you do not want. This is especially useful for apps where you still want important alerts, but you do not want constant pop-ups or sounds throughout the day. For example, you might want to keep direct messages on, but turn off promotional notifications, or you may want to leave urgent alerts enabled while disabling everything else. Taking a few seconds to adjust these categories can make your phone much easier to manage. Once you are done, just go back out of the settings screen and your changes should be saved automatically. You do not need to press a complicated save button in most cases. From that point on, the app will follow the notification settings you selected. So that is how to disable notifications in Android using the App Info shortcut. It is fast, simple, and perfect when you want to control notifications for one app without changing your entire phone. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.